Hi, this is the instruction of how to use the R1520 that has the capability for connecting for using the link of TETRA modem. I will do these 4 steps for in this video. The first is wiring. Second is configuration. Third is use the tablet. I will use this laptop to connect to the R1520 through Wi-Fi to simulate the tablet. The last one is testing, mainly for link switching and link status checking through Wi-Fi. So how to wire the TETRA modem to R1520? You can refer the user guide of R1520. There is some pin assignment in the document. You can search R232 S232 signal, and you will find the pin assignment of R1520. You will use these 3 pins for connecting to TETRA modem. That is TXT, RXT, and FGND. It will be these 3 pins, this one and this one and this one. You can refer this picture. These 3 pins are RS232 for connecting to TETRA modem. Please make sure TXT from R1520 and connect to TETRA modem TXT, and RXT to RXT. Signal GND to TETRA modem GND. So this is the wiring between R1520 and TETRA modem. After you done the wiring between the gateway and the TETRA modem, then you insert the 4G SIM cards. The R1520 supports 2 SIM cards. It depends on your needs. You can insert 2 or 1. In this demonstration, I will use 1 SIM card for simulating the link switching between primary link and a TETRA link. Second, configuration. You can use an Ethernet cable connect your laptop and the R1520. Then use this IP address. Use this address to access the gateway. Then log in the device. I already inserted 1 SIM card for primary link, and use a modem to simulate TETRA modem, and it is already connected. You can go to link manager status. As you can see, you have already primary link, SIM1, and 4G. This is 4G link, and TETRA modem is connected. The second link is not available because this link doesn't insert any SIM cards. It's empty. There is no this link is not available. I just use 1 SIM card and a TETRA modem for demonstration. Okay, for configuration, there is not much configuration for user. There are 3 points that I want to mention. The first one is you have to set the baud rate of TETRA link accordingly based on your TETRA modem baud rate. You can go to link manager, TETRA, this one, link setting, modify the link setting. And there is a baud rate setting. By default is 38400 baud rate. This is a default setting. So if the TETRA modem use another baud rate, please set the baud rate accordingly. Okay, this is the first configuration. The second configuration is set revert interval for primary link reconnection. This is the scenario that if you use 2 SIM cards for link backup, if you inserted 2 SIM cards in the R1520, then you will use primary link, backup link, and the TETRA link. There will be 3 links available if you inserted 2 SIM cards. And these settings, what is it used for? It is for this 2 links backup. By default, it's code backup. What is it used for? So, for example, if primary link is not available, if there is any signal, if the local signal is not covered or the signal is weak and the link is lost, and this primary link is not available, then this setting will help the modem to every interval it will go back to check if the primary link can be connected back or not. By default, it is 0. 0 means it will never come back to primary link to check if the link whether it's available or not. So you can set, for example, 1 minute. The interval time depends on your need. For testing, I will use the minimum interval, 1 minute. The unit is minute. If I set 1 minute for revert interval, if primary link lost, and it will switch to backup link or TETRA link. And every 1 minute, it will come back to check primary link if it is back online or not. So this is the usage of a revert interval. The third configuration is Wi-Fi. Because in ambulance, there will be a tablet connect to gateway to check the link state of the gateway. So you need to enable Wi-Fi. First, you need to set it as an app. By default, it's already app mode. And go to access point. Set the SSID according to your definition. And if it is necessary, then you can set a password for the tablet to connect to the Wi-Fi app. In this demo, I will leave it blank. It will be not need to use password for connecting to the app. So I disable the password credential for connecting to the Wi-Fi. Third, let me simulate tablet to connect to the gateway for receiving the link status. I use you need to use telnet to, and the port is, first you need to use telnet protocol. Input the Wi-Fi app IP address. Here's the point. The port is 2015. And open. See, you will receive, the tablet will receive the link status of the gateway. Let me use a tool to make this window always at top. Okay, so now every second it will receive the latest status of the link status in real time. Right now it is 101. That means the first number 1 is stand for primary link, which is 4G link. The second link is not available. The second SIM card is not inserted, or the network is available. That means it will be 0. And the third number stands for TETRA link. Right now it is 1. That means TETRA link is online. And it will report every 1 second. Number 4 is testing. So right now the configuration is done. There's not much configuration. The the main configuration is TETRA link setting, the baud rate. Make sure the baud rate is according to the TETRA modem, that the gateway can communicate with the TETRA modem. The second is the link management. If you inserted two SIM cards, and make sure in these settings and set a revert interval for checking the primary link. And the third is Wi-Fi settings. Set it as Wi-Fi app and set SSID or password. The last one is testing. Let's test if the link switching properly. First, let's test the link switching from primary link to TETRA. At the moment, the primary link is connected. Let's unplug the first thing. Okay, the wireless one thing is unplugged. And the gateway will use ICMP pin detection to check if the link is available or not. You can go to system, debug, log will tell you if the pin successfully or failure. I would suggest you to shorten the interval of pin detection. By default, is 300 seconds. So every 5 minutes, you will do the pin detection. For testing, I would suggest you shorten the pin interval to like the minimum is 10 seconds. because right now it is every 5 minutes, so I need to wait. But for testing, you can shorter it to 10 seconds. Let me insert the SIM card back again and shorter the pin detection. Okay, the SIM card inserted back, and let's modify the pin detection. Set it minimum. As you can see, because I just reset the gateway, all the links are not available, and you can see the link state windows is disappeared. That means this testing is successful. The Wi-Fi disabled because there's no links available. Okay, after I resetting the gateway, the TETRA modem already connected back, and primary link should be doing the connecting. Let me check SIM 1. SIM is not detected. Sorry for the inconvenience because my SIM card it's not detected by the game. Let me adjust my SIM card just to make sure the gateway can detect the SIM. As you can see, the gateway is doing the link switching. SIM 2 is actually there's no SIM card inserted, so it says that there's no SIM card. All right. It detects that the SIM2 link is not available, and the revert interval, which means these settings, revert interval, now take effect. You now switch back to the primary link to check if it's the SIM1 uh, online or not. Oh, my SIM card is broken and it doesn't detect. I have to change another SIM. I will come back later. Okay, let's continue the number 4 testing. For test the link switching. I just got a normal SIM card that now it's working properly. So right now, let's connect back the Wi-Fi. Let's use the simulator tablet telnet to connect to the gateway to get the link status. 2015, the telnet port and open, so you can see there's the link state reporting ready to display on top. So right now there is a primary link and a tetra links available, and the second link is 0. That it is I didn't insert sync to for the backup link, so it is 0. Okay, let's simulate the link switching. The first switching from primary link to tetra. Okay, I'm gonna unplug the primary sync to simulate the first sync. The primary link is not available. Okay, let me unplug it. Right now, the first sync primary link is unplugged. Okay, you can check the debug log to see the status. Let's check if the pin detection is still in the minimum. Okay, it's 10 seconds. Every 10 seconds, it will check. You will use ping SMB to check if the link is available or not. As you can see, it start to check. You will ping 3 times. If 3 times ping is failed, that means this link is not available. As you can see, it states that the primary link is down. And in the meantime, the tetra link will be available to use. You can check the routing status here. Network route status. As you can see right now, it uses tetra for data forwarding, for internet accessing. Right now, it uses tetra link. Okay, so this test is successful, and switching from tetra to primary link. As you already set in link manager, you set the revert interval. You will check if the primary link back online or not every 1 minute. So let me insert back the primary sync. Okay, the primary sync, the first sync is inserted back. As you can see, the gateway is trying to connect back the primary, the SIM one. And you can go to the manager's status Check the status. I think it's okay. It's back. The primary link is back. State is connected. Okay, you can see the active link now right now is using the first thing, and you check the route. You will use the primary link route. As you can see, this is the default route. Use the first thing, and link state also reporting in real time. Second is, as you can see, it's reporting properly. Okay, if I disconnect all of the links, the Wi-Fi will be disabled. So right now I will disconnect all of the links. Right now the first thing and the TETRA modem are disconnected. You can go to debug and check the status. It will pin the link if the link is not available. The Wi-Fi will be disabled. As you can see now, the primary link start to check the link. Checking failed. Okay, it detects that the primary link is not available. Now it's down. Second thing, there's no SIM card inserted. So for sure, second link is not available. Okay, we have to wait because the TETRA link still in default setting is every 5 minutes. So we have to wait. Okay, now TETRA link start to ping to check the link availability. Since right now the TETRA modem is disconnected, so it is being failed. And the link state is checking. Okay, it detects the link, all the links is not available, so the Wi-Fi is stopped. Okay, so the third testing is done. That's it for this demonstration. Thank you for watching the video.